What's up, freaks? Well, as you can see, I got a brand new steel hat on. Still got the tag under there. But yeah, that's right. I've been to a couple power equipment stores, and well, actually no, I've only been to one. But the one I went to was Morton's Power Equipment down here in Fredericksburg, Virginia. Well, I'll put a link in the description below to their website, and you can check it out for yourself. And while I was there today, I picked up a brand new lawnmower. And as you can see, let me see if I can get a little peek of it. Whoop! I wonder if you saw it. Here, we'll find out now. Bam! Toro, baby. Yep, got a nice Toro. Time Master. Toro Time Master, dual force, twin blades, 30-inch cutting width. And this is the best for a lawn service like mine. I have a small lawn service, not very big. Only do 5 lawns a week. This summer I'll be moving to 3 lawns a day. So I thought I'd get this while they're still on the prices went down. It used to be up to like $1,200. The prices plummeted down to $1,000. So they used to be at $1,200. Now they're down to $1,000. So once it went down, I had my cash. I was so psyched to come down to Morton's to get it, and here it is. I just got it, literally brought it home 30 minutes ago, and then I thought I'm gonna get my camera out, start. As you can see, where's my other mower that you've seen on my videos? Well, sorry if you can't hear me. It's out here getting a bath. Right here. I'm just getting cleaned off. I'm actually going to sell this, so if anyone wants to buy this, you can contact me at lawncarefreak@agmail.com, and I'll sell it to you. I can either ship it somewhere, or you can come to a location and come get it. Someone it for $150. So anyone wants it, it's a good mower. I'm gonna clean it up still, so it's not what it's gonna look like. But this is my Toro here. Let me get back to this. Well, first let me just give you, this is the overall look around the machine I just did. Pretty big bag. Now we're gonna start with the engine, because this is the most important part. This is what obviously runs your lawnmower. So here we go. As I said, focus. Toro, guaranteed to start. This is actually a Briggs Stratton engine. Tighter fuel cap. Oil, big oil thing goes all the way down there, and right there. My drainer is somewhere under this deck. I haven't looked yet. And guess what this is? The air filter. I'm not going to take it off because I actually do not know how to take it off yet. I have to read the manual. This thing, it's not hot because it's hot. Well, it's not hot. Yeah, it's not hot. I started up earlier, but yeah, it's not hot anymore. 30-inch cut. I mean, this. You know what? I think I'm gonna bring on my other mower to have something to compare it to. So hold on one sec. Okay, so I got both mowers out here. Got this one out of the rain, the Toro built, and this one did not come in a box. The Toro did not come into a box. I walked into the power equipment store. I looked and I saw the Toro Time Master sitting there. I said, hey, do you guys have any Toro Time Masters in boxes? They said no, but this one's already fueled up, oiled up, and ready. Take that. You can just take that one. I said, all right. Paid for it. Got out of there. Only took about 10 minutes after you did all the paperwork. But this mower is huge, and now let's start with our, I'll tell you what I'm going to start with, and then I'm going to keep moving on to titles about it, comparing the mower. So this is going to be a review of my new lawnmower. So here we go. First, number 1, the width. Look at the width of these two mowers. This one is a dual force twin blade system, 30-inch cutting width. This one is a 21-inch cutting width. This one is, I don't know if it shows you anywhere. No. Okay, well, this one is bagging. There's my, oh, it's bagging right there. Bagging. So discharge. And mulch. This is also bag, so discharge and mulch. What was good about this is I came at the right time. Guess what they gave me? Just take a guess right now. Right now in the comments, write what they gave me a free set of. Probably just gave it away, but write in the comments. I'm gonna give you a second. Or you can look at these while you're writing it. Okay, time's up. Biome, they gave me a new pair of 15-inch mulching blades. Awesome, huh? For free. And a free hat. So, put those right back here. Ouch. There we go. So, that's that. This width is pretty big. I just talked about that. Number 2, our self-propelled system. Both self-propelled, front-wheel drive, and I don't know if this tells you. No, it does not. But it is self-propelled. Yes, I will show you a demonstration in just a minute after I show you how you do this. This one is, look, true variable speed. You just pull this, turn around. So you can adjust it like this, but it's hard to have this pull down and do this at the same time with specific ones that you want to do. If you want to go this or fast, it's kind of hard to adjust it the way you want. But this freaking thing has got personal pace system. If I'm not mowing grass, see, a cool feature is you just pull that. Gauges the blades, and this one you just have to push down on this, and my walking speed, that's how it goes. A little traction assist handle, so when I got onto tough terrain, if I'm like going up a hill, I just pull this and it'll help me. So that's your pace system. They're both front wheel drive, and now I will show you a quick demonstration. Okay, here we go. First, we're going to start with this one. They're very loud, and I hope I don't get in trouble with this, but here we go.